Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Product Secrets. Friends, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please consider to subscribe because I come up with lots of review videos in this channel. So without wasting much time, let's get started with our video. So guys, one of the most common problems that men or women faces at this time is the hair fall problem. These hair fall problems at the ancient times has its age limit, but now at the present world there is no age limit for hair fall problems. So nowadays everybody faces this problem, be it whether children or teenage or adults or even old age. So to solve all those problems, what people do is that they start using all kinds of medicines or oils available in the market, but at the end of the day they don't find or get any desired results from it. Instead, it becomes even more worse and their problems remains the same. So friends, today I'm going to share with you about one effective product that can give you 100% results for your hair fall problems. So as you can see here, the name of the product is Super Hair Strong Oil with aloe vera. So friends, this is 100% organic and Ayurvedic medicine in which the combination of ingredients added in this oil is Bhringraj oil, Brahmi oil, Nagarmotha, Triphala, Yasthi Madhu, Karanj beach, Daru haldi, til tel, coconut oil, amla, mel puspa, chandan and aloe vera. So guys, you have clearly seen that there is no any single chemicals added here. All the ingredients are very much pure and effective for hair. So there is definitely no any side effects going to be expected by using this oil. You can easily use it without much thinking or doubt. Let's see how to apply it. So how or when to apply this oil is that you can apply this oil twice a week, that is during the night before going to sleep, because during night time our scalp and skin gets relaxed and heals all the injuries of our mind and body has. So it's the best time that you can use this oil. So you can gently massage your scalp by yourself or take the help from your mother, sister or husband to help you apply this oil properly all over the scalp. And then after that you can rub your hair covered with a plastic bag or a thin towel so that the oil won't stick to your pillows or stick to your faces. And then after leaving it for overnight, you can wash your hair during bathing. So wash away the oil properly with shampoo or soaps that you use every day. And yes, that's how you can use this oil, or you can use this oil as prescribed by your doctor. So guys, as I have said before, there is no age limit for this oil. Everyone can apply this oil, be it if your age is above 12 to 13 years, or you can use this oil on your old age also. And I must say, you will definitely see the results from it if you continuously use it for more than 1 month approximately. You can apply this oil if your hair is chemically damaged, if your hair is physically damaged, environmentally damaged, or has nutritional damage. You can use this oil if your hair feels dry or brittle, and if your hair feels thick at the root and thin at the ends. Also, you can use this hair oil if your hair is more tangled than usual and appears dull. So this oil will work for all those types of hair problems and of course hair fall, because this oil is made from various organic ingredients that works for the hair. So just go ahead and try it once and see the amazing results from it. Once you see the results, you will surely start loving it. So guys, now let me show you the inner packaging, how it looks like. So that's how it comes. It comes in a deep green color plastic bottle. It comes with a simple opening cap, and here you have to make a small hole to remove the oil. And yes, if I talk about the fragrance of the oil, is that the smell is very mild and light. It has the similar smell to that of jasmine oil, but it's not so strong while using it, and the smell fades away after some time after applying it, because sometimes for allergic people, if they get any strong smells of hair oil, they tend to get allergic and have some headaches and all. But for this oil, the smell is much tolerable as compared to other oils, because the smell fades away themselves after a few minutes. So this bottle packaging has got 100 ml quantity weight, which will cost you for 195 rupees at present. So prices will go up and down according to the years and months. So at the present it is for 195 rupees. So that was it all about this oil. If you want to try it, then you can definitely try it once and let me know your opinions in the comment section after you had used it and apply it and got your amazing results. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in my next video.
You put down the phone.